Welcome to Absolute Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we're going to make a drink that apparently you guys are asking for. This is the Vodka Lime. Super citrusy, super fruity, elevated with the vodka coming through. One of the easiest drinks you can make. If you've got some Lime Cordial knocking around, just go for it. Don't forget, if you're enjoying all our recipes, give us a like. But if you do not like our recipes, please click the like button 3 times. Also, if you want to subscribe and make sure that you do not want to miss a single one of these drinks videos, click the subscribe button. So apparently you guys have been asking for this drink, so I'm going to make it for you. It's a very simple twist on a gimlet, but it's more vodka rather than gin. And we're also going to serve this on the rocks rather than straight up. Really easy, really quick. Let's not mess around. This is the Vodka Lime. We're going to take our mixing glass. This is a glass that we use to stir drinks in, and we're going to build in here. So we're making 2 drinks. Never drink alone, always do 2. So we want 45 mils per drink going straight in. Then take your favorite Lime Cordial, and you want 40 mils going straight in per drink. If you want to see how to make homemade Lime Cordial, comment in the box below, because we need the bosses to say yes. Oh, and if you want to see how to make the gin gimlet, stick that in the comments as well, because only if the bosses say yes. Next up, we're going to ice that up. And we're going to give it a little stir. Now, we're only really stirring it to keep it chilled. Make sure everything's blended together and it's got a very nice chill on it. We don't want too much dilution. It feels cold, it's ready to go. Next up, take your rocks glass, fill this with ice. There we go. Take your strainer, go straight in. Nice. Then we're gonna garnish with my favorite, the lime wheel. We want 2 thin lime wheels, like so. And then I'm just gonna throw them in anywhere they land. And that, guys, is the Vodka Lime. Let's have a taste. Depending on what Lime Cordial you choose, it's gonna be delicious. We've got one of the best, and that is fantastic. Maybe you want to try this with some other cordials. Maybe you've got like a raspberry cordial or a blackcurrant cordial. Give it a whirl. These are all twists on gimlets, so get into it. I'm Rico. This has been Absolute Drinks with Rico. I'm out of here. Peace.